You know about this video. Go to the quest section and find King of the Hill S15 quest. It gives away 700 orbs. This is a global quest. You don't require VPN or anything. If you can't see it, maybe Discord didn't give it to you. But most of you must have this quest. I will show you how to get all the titles here and the gold badge very easily. Now, click the play button. Turn behind to your right. Let's start collecting stuff. Collect exactly what I am collecting, like the signboard that's placed next to the fridge. It will give you the first waypoint title. Now, under the teal-colored mini submarine, you will find the ID card. Then go to the carpenter workspace, pick the binoculars, and then a cursed-looking cow doll. Then head to your left. You will find 2 washing machines. Pick that hot sauce bottle, and then pick the pamphlet next to it. Then look up, above the cupboard, pick the gold trophy. Now move toward your left-hand side. You'll find a casino machine. Ignore that for now, and go to the cardboard box stacks and pick the red pamphlet. There we have it. We finished most of the titles. The rest of the titles will be achieved by playing the game in that gaming machine. Pick any character you like. I'll just pick the blonde one for now. Use your keyboard's arrow keys to move your character up and down to dodge the obstacles. The key here is to stick to clear roads without obstacles. You can go after points, but don't get too close to any hazards. If a path is packed with obstacles, even if it has points, just skip it. Stay on the smooth road and only grab points when it's safe. You have to stick around longer to get the titles. When the game ends, switch to a different character and start playing. You need to try out all the 4 characters to get a title. I tried the guy and hat already, so I will pick the character at the second. It gave me another title for trying out all the characters. As you can see, I am not taking risks. I am going to the empty roads, but still getting points. You just need to stick longer as much as you can while collecting the points. There we go, we have all the titles and the gold badge. We got all these things beside the 700 orbs. It's a fun game, and you should try it too.
Now, besides this, there are other quests too that can help you get the free Discord Nitro. If you are interested, you can keep watching, or you can drop off.
The first is from Steel Series. If you don't know, they make gaming products and software. That's all you gotta know. The second is from Final Fantasy. Now, from my understanding, it's an online role-playing game.
Honestly, these are the only 2 quests available here right now. If you want more, you can just turn on your VPN and set your location to the US. Quick heads up, though, Discord can be a bit sensitive with VPNs and might hit you with a temporary soft ban. I actually got hit with a 3-hour ban once just because I forgot to switch mine off before sending a pic, so definitely keep an eye on that. So, yeah. If you want to do this, it's on you. But if you are like me who doesn't care, you can keep doing the quests, but I'm not responsible if you got soft ban.
One thing though, don't send photos. Change your PFP or profile, or do any activity beside doing the quests while your VPN is on. Discord will think you are hacked and could give you a soft ban and ask you to change your password. The first was from Obsession, and the second quest is from Pitch Black. The third quest is from Gail Daughtry and the Celebrity Pass. The third quest is from iMac Mac students, and the fourth quest is from the Uprising. Once you finish the quest, first turn off your VPN, then refresh your Discord page, and then start claiming all the orbs. In total, we have around 1,700 to 2,000 orbs.
Now, I must say that with 65,000 orbs that I own, I can get free Discord Nitro for the rest of the months that are left in 2026. It's a lot, isn't it? You can also start saving up like me. Now you know what's really free? Yeah, server decor and layouts. You can join my Discord server to get free decor and layouts, and maybe some resources to decorate your profile. If you don't want all that, it's alright. Just join us to make new friends. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and help it reach the people who genuinely need free Nitro but haven't been fortunate enough.